Posting on LinkedIn daily, doing cold DMs, but still no clients? This video is for you. LinkedIn feed has shifted. It downplays vanity virality and now focus on useful nicheful insights, people who are busy in comments building a community. This means a strong comment by you can right post reach and can put you exactly in front of the right audience. LinkedIn also tests balancing recency with virality. So high quality conversations can surface for days or even weeks. Grab a notebook and write your nearest buyer. For an example, D2C founders who are making 20 to 50 crore in revenue per month, or says heads of marketing with seed funded startups, career coaches for mid-tech level managers. Now list 10 keywords to post about retention, onboarding, hiring, Shopify, AV, etc. Your comments only matter if right people see them on LinkedIn. Now search these keywords on LinkedIn and make sure you filter it by posts, then latest, and then by people. Now add these sources to your wish list. Top creators your buyers already engage with, company pages of target accounts, hashtags that your audience uses, 3 to 5 relevant ones, event pages, live sessions, newsletters your buyers read. Why this works? Because the feed favors expertise and member related discussions. Quick note, if you're sharing any links, make sure you share in DMs or you drop in comments. Don't ever put the links in the caption or the post. The 5 that work. The algorithm reward meaningful reply. Add inside, not a great filter. Agree plus add plus an example. So for a founder example, you can agree, love it, but I'm gonna add this and that. And we have a 2-step bundle to cut your costing from this to that. So this will be a really good comment. Second is mini case study. So for on like Shopify, you can say skincare swapping UGC before or after. You can show the numbers of the growth in real views or in followers, in timeline, thoughtful counterpoint. So as a coach, I'm giving an example. I agree storytelling helps interviews, but my clients bomb when they memorize this. So we switch the situation, bias, action, pattern, better recall under pressure. Fourth is open-ended next step question. This is my favorite. So curious, did you try pricing of this and that? Yeah, did you try this method on your platform or on your company or on your product? Resource first, nice. You can give a checklist or something. So double A and raise. These are the 2 things you have to note down. Agree, add example. Acknowledge a specific line, add whatever valuable thing you have to say, and then add an example. Praise, read, acknowledge, insight, source, engage. Quote 3 to 6 words they have to acknowledge. This helps because give one actionable nuance or something out of the box. Insert some data point of some newspaper or something you have read from a known resource. And then ask the real question or tag someone, which is very, very important. These frameworks create meaningful conversations that LinkedIn rewards to bringing leads for you. Warm up. Reply to yesterday's replies or DMs first. Then targeted commenting. Hit 10 fresh people. Then warm your network post. And then 5 creator posts. Follow through. If your comments get traction, then start conversations on that and make it a thread. Track who you engaging, who you commenting, what kind of replies, likes you are getting from what kind of people. Recency matters, but I think relevance is the most important thing. So don't focus on getting latest thing every day. Focus on relevancy because overall in long run that will be rewarding. From comment to profile view to DM lead. When someone likes or comment your profile, there's a huge chance that they'll visit your profile. So make your profile heavyweight. It just stops. When they meet you, if they see your profile, they already know you. So headline should be very clear. I help this person, which is clear in your mind with these problems by these tools or techniques. About me, you can put some case studies or 3 punchy lines about your clients. Features, you can put carousels, some links of your website, something you're rewarded with, anything. Have a CTA, you can have a lead magnet, if it's a newsletter, you can have something of a Calendly link. Now DM handoff. If they DM you, it's fine. If you DM them, just tell them, love your take on my comment on my thread. I offer this. Lead magnet for free. So if you want, I can give it to you right. Number 1 mistake is to avoid engagement bait. Ask real questions. Instead, just comment yes or DM me yes like that. Generic praise. Never do generic praise. Do something which you actually think is good enough. Dropping links without context. That is the huge thing I see. I mean, have a context. What this link is about. Drive by commenting. If someone replies, if they're curious, just drive that thread and keep talking on that comment thread. Okay. Daily 40 minutes, 5 minutes reply to yesterday's replies, 13 minutes 10 targeted comments, 7 minutes 10 warm network comments, 5 minutes long outcomes or 2 connection requests you can send. Now targets, day 1, 40 plus comments total, 3 saved threads. 3 to 4 day you can have like micro comments on different posts. 5 to 6, 10 warm connections. Day 7, diagnostic calls you should have booked for your further sales call. So I just walk the talk. You just comment your ICP on LinkedIn and I will tell you what you should do. Proper customized. I will reply on your comment because I mean it what I'm saying. Let's continue this comment in the threads. So just drop what you have and who you're targeting and I'll help you out in the comments. I'm really waiting for you.